Hey guys, so I know what kinds of things you want to see. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Well, I just found one of the holy grails that I've wanted for my collection for a long time. I'm a big fan of CBQ and the Burlington route, and boy, I'm just glad that I came up with this. But doggone it, I finally did, and wow, I can't believe it. I can't believe my luck. I'm gonna have to convert it from DC to DCC, but that's no problem. Also, I had to run out and find a consist for it to pull really quick, but that wasn't a problem at all. It seems like someone was selling one at the same time I needed one, so I mean, the whole thing just fell in my lap, and boy, I'm not going to complain about that. I'm going to do this What Is It reveal without any commentary. I'll just let you wait till the end to find out what it is. I really hope you like it, and hopefully someday soon I'll be able to show it running. I'd love to hear your comments on this model, so please leave some below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe also. Take care, and I'll talk to you later.